Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about the oxyhemoglobin dissociation curve. There are certain mnemonics to remember the leftward shift and the rightward shift. They are cold and ARDS. We know acute respiratory distress syndrome. Here, CO represents carbon monoxide, LDS left shift and downshift. Left and downward shift is carbon monoxide and ARDS. This is anemia. In anemia, the oxyhemoglobin dissociation curve shifts to right and down, right and downshift. That is ARDS. Carbon monoxide, left and downward shift. Anemia, right and downward shift. And in the normal parameters, to say which causes rightward shift and which causes leftward shift. So here you can see this is the normal. This is a sigmoid shaped curve of PO2 and Hb saturation when the graph shifts to right. For that, you have to remember everything increases in right. Something that is increasing will cause a right shift except pH. So here you can see increased PCO2, increased H plus ions, increased temperature, and increased 2,3-DPG. So all increase will cause rightward shift. So here you can see in the spelling of right, that is I. So based on that also you can remember that everything which increases causes rightward shift. In left there is no I. So everything that decreases will cause leftward shift. The only thing you have to remember here is the pH. For pH, this increase will not satisfy. So that should be decreased pH. Here if you see there is a leftward shift. So everything what decreases will cause leftward shift, decreased PCO2, decreased H plus, decreased temperature, and decreased 2T3 to 3 dpg, except pH. So the pH here is increased. And as I told you, CO, which is cold, so it is leftward shift. And here they didn't mention anemia, which causes rightward shift because the mnemonic is ARDS and COLD. And fetal hemoglobin. Fetal in the spelling it says L, which is leftward shift. Something that causes the rightward shift of the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve will release oxygen. R for R, rightward shift releases oxygen. Here it holds oxygen. Fetal hemoglobin, and we read that CO, carbon monoxide hemoglobin, has some more association with oxygen. So they hold oxygen. So they cause the leftward shift. Here the opposite causes the rightward shift. This is about the oxyhemoglobin dissociation curve. Thank you.